Welcome to Science with Divya. We have performed an activity with the help of paper boat and rock and a pen. When we put a paper boat and a plastic pen, it float on the surface of the water. But when we put rock, it sinks. Then question arise between the student that why it is happening. Why does a paper boat float but a rock sink? The answer can be explained with the help of Archimedes principle. According to the Archimedes principle, we state that an object immersed in a fluid experiences an upward buoyant force equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by the object. Means the paper boat have the average density, it is less than water which float, and the density of rock is greater than the water, it sinks. Conclusion should be a paper boat floats because its shape and trapped air reduce its average density, allowing the buoyant force of the water to support it. A rock sinks because it is denser than water, so its weight exceeds the buoyant force. Buoyant force is nothing when an object is put in the water. It experiences an upthrust force by the water. Water also put a force on it, and when the weight and density is much heavier, the buoyant force cannot allow it to is not sufficient to make it float. That's why the rock sinks and the paper boat keep on floating freely like this. See, the boats are going far away with the flow of water, but when we put the rock inside, it sinks. So it is because of the buoyancy and density. Thank you.